Hi friends, this video shows how to fix all network and internet related issues. Please don't forget to subscribe this channel. Please like and share the video. First go to settings. Tap on the settings up icon. Go down. Select general management. Tap here. Then go down. Tap on reset. Go down. Tap on reset mobile network settings. Tap here. Here you can see a reset settings button. Tap on this button. Then tap on this reset button. Done. Network settings reset. Please note that this reset operation will not delete any data from your phone. It just reset the wrong network configuration. Okay, it's just reset only the network settings. After this reset operation, you can check your network and internet. That should work. Okay, so this way we can reset network settings and fix all network and internet related issues. Please check it.